बिजी पर्सन ऑलवेज मेक्स टाइम, ये तो कुछ जानी पहचानी सी लाइन लगती है भ्राताश्री. ऑलराइट. Now, my question to you is, can you restart? I asked this to you earlier. Can you restart if all your money is position taken away from you? If all your money and your position is taken away from you? Yes or no? The answer for a lot of people is a big no. Because right now we have not created enough resources to restart if everything is taken away from them, from us, right? But personal branding is what makes it possible for us. Personal branding is what makes it possible for us. Do you agree? Do you realize that? Because आपके पर्सनल ब्रांड की वजह से अगर कल की डेट में आपके पास से आपका नाम, आपका पोजीशन जो आपने बनाई हुई और जो आपके पास पैसे हैं वो चले जाते हैं, तो भी आप आगे चल के अपने लिए नए रास्ते बना ले जाते हैं, नए रेवेन्यू प्रोड्यूसिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुद ब खुद के लिए क्रिएट कर देते हैं. Got it? Good. Now, what is a personal brand? Wherein people know your face, people know your voice, people are aware about your work, and you have created a credibility for yourself in the market. That is what is the actual meaning of creating a personal brand for yourself. And once you have created a personal brand, you would then realize that it is getting so much more comfortable for you and you get more results for you. For that, you should have a niche, of course. And we will talk about that also. Right? Very important. नहीं, गोवा में कोई ठंड वंड नहीं है. Right. तभी मैं एसी जरा ठीक कर रहा हूँ, बहुत गर्म हो रहा है यार. Yeah. Yesterday full night आपकी आवाज मेरे माइंड में गूंज रही थी. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. Is it very important to show the face? Yes. Please make videos with your face, okay? Please make videos with your face. Very important. Got it? Right. Next, let us talk about the pillars of public speaking we have covered, and the pillars of personal branding is what we are going to learn right now. Number one, the awareness. You need to create enough awareness for yourself, and you also need to understand as to what is going to be my niche. What is the kind of content that I need to create? How my content is going to be helpful to people. You go to analyze कि आपका कौन सा कंटेंट लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, आपके कौन से कंटेंट से आपके पास रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं, आपके कौन से कंटेंट से आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ रही हैं. You need to understand that. So that awareness is very important. And because of that, you would realize that more awareness would definitely lead to more results for you. So more awareness and awareness about the kind of content that I need to put in front of people. And for that, the niche selection is so very important. And today we are going to go deep about niche selection and कौन-कौन से niche selection आपके पास results आपको लेकर आने हैं. समझ में आया? तो वो awareness वाली चीज हो जाती है. Secondly, visibility. आपके पास regularly visibility खुद के लिए create करना बहुत important है. You need to create visibility for yourself on a regular basis. Please ensure that whatever information you have, whatever knowledge you have, whatever knowledge you are getting, you share it with people. You share that content with people. You create more visibility by putting more videos, by regularly coming in front of people, whether it's a live session, whether it is getting more public speaking assignments, whether it is getting in front of people, more chances for you. That is what is important. Credibility का मतलब होता है लोगों का आपके ऊपर भरोसा. Okay? Right. So that is the reason why visibility is extremely essential for you. एक बार जब आपने अपने लिए visibility create कर ली है, आप देखोगे कि आपके पास results and opportunities खुद ब खुद आने लग जा रहे हैं. Got that? Good. And that's why I say to people, get that visibility for you by repeatedly getting that awareness and repeatedly getting in front of people. That's important. Somebody says, sir, I can't send messages. Sometimes that happens in Zoom. Just rejoin the session and therefore you would be able to send us the messages also. Got it? Good. The third thing is lack of consistency. Consistency होना बहुत important है. The problem with a lot of people is that we are not consistent. हम एक दिन 10 वीडियोस डाल देते हैं, बाद में मेरे को समझ नहीं आता कि मैं कितना कंटेंट डालूं, कितने वीडियोस डालूं. एक दिन मैंने डाल दिया, उसके बाद रेगुलरली नहीं डालता. शुरू में अगर मेरे वीडियो में व्यूज नहीं आते हैं तो मैं आगे नहीं लेके जाता हूं कंटेंट को, मैं आगे ज्यादा विजिबिलिटी अपने लिए नहीं क्रिएट कर पाता हूं. So these are the certain factors that are very important for you to create consistency for yourself, for you to create more awareness and more visibility for yourself. I tell you, being consistent might be boring, being consistent might be difficult, but that is what gives you an edge over others. You realize that, right? If you just improve 0.1% every day, by the end of the year, you will be so way ahead of others. If you every day put in 1 hour of extra effort than other people, 2 hours of extra effort than other people, then what you can do is, over a period of the entire year, you will have a distinct advantage of 730 hours, जो कि कोई भी beat नहीं कर सकता. अगर आप, and when I work about me, talk about me, I put in probably 3 hours and 4 hours of extra work compared to other people. So when I am able to put in 3 or 4 hours of extra work compared to other people, what happens is I get a distinct advantage of about 1500 hours that nobody can I even think about. That's the power of being consistent. So जब आप consistently results डालोगे, consistently content डालोगे, consistently अपने लिए visibility create करोगे, you would realize that mind blowing opportunities are going to come your way. Again, एक बंदा बोल रहा है, I am not able to create videos और क्योंकि they should be eye catchy. Who are you to decide whether your videos are eye catchy? Let the audience decide. Start posting your content. People will tell you. Excuse. Perfection is an excuse that we give to our own self. समझ में आया? वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. गुड. Somebody says, but sir 9 to 5 की जॉब से तो अच्छा है कि पूरा टाइम ऑनलाइन सेशन को दो. तो ऑनलाइन सेशन कर लो. मना किसने करा है? But don't say that a job is bad. Don't say that anything that is being provided to you is bad. आपके पास अगर आज की डेट में कहीं पे कुछ पैसा आ रहा है, इस चीज के बारे में मत सोचो कि वो चीज खराब है. It takes efforts, right, to earn money. A job teaches you. That's important. Sir, on YouTube only 10 to 15 views, no problem. 10 से 15 तो हैं. डालते रहोगे तो आगे बढ़ते चले जाएंगे views, right? Someday, I'll continue. Age does not matter, my dear friend, at all. At all. That is what is important. Got it? Of course, दूसरों की तुलना से बहुत ज्यादा काम करो. बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी. आज से ही हम आग लगा देने वाले हैं, रील्स बनाने वाले हैं. करते चले जाओ आगे ताबड़तोड़. मेरे वीडियोस पे भी भाई साहब एक समय 10 व्यूज भी नहीं आते थे. When I was delivering my 50 speeches on 50 consecutive days, I uploaded all those 50 videos in one go. For the next 2 months, there were so many videos of mine that were not even getting 10 views. And this is after I had started my YouTube channel 1 year later. 1 year later. भी ये हालत थी भाई साहब. Reason being, no awareness, no visibility, no mentor, no guidance. जब वो समझ में आया, आगे अपने आप ही रिजल्ट्स आने लग गए. You tell me an excuse, मैं आपको बता दूंगा. आप बोलते हो आपके पास पैसे नहीं थे. I had 500 rupees every month. I had 500 rupees every month. Somebody asked me, when you launched your first online program, I did not have any such prominent followers. On Instagram, I had about 3,000 followers. That is it. When I launched my program, the mindset is what changed everything for me. So what I did was, whatever money we made, we reinvested that back into our work. We reinvested that back into our work. And because we were regularly reinvesting that in our work, we got results and opportunities for us. That's what you got to do. How did you manage with 500 rupees? Because I was there with my parents. मैं अपने घर वालों के घर पे रहता था, जो मेरा घर है of course, but है तो मेरे घर वालों का. मैं उस घर में रहता था. They used to pay for my food. मेरे पास पेट्रोल के एक्सपेंसेस होते थे, एंड उसके अलावा 500 रुपए पूरे महीने के होते थे. एंड यही चीज आपको देखना है. अ पर्सन इज सेइंग दैट यस आई हैव सीन कि आपके 50 डे स्पीच वाले वीडियोस में व्यूज नहीं थे. 50 व्यूज भी नहीं थे. सच्चाई है. Everything, each and every, I tell you, we have lived that particular moment. And that is why I say that whatever you say to me is an excuse. अगर आप बोलते हो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरे पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, ये चीज आपको समझना पड़ेगा. एंड वेस्ट वेरी ट्रू. वी ऑल्सो हैड अ लोन ऑफ 10 लाख रुपीज ऑन आवर हेड. थैंकफुली सौरभ ने कुछ पैसे कमाने शुरू कर दिए थे, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई वी वर एबल टू रीपे दैट मनी. गॉट दैट? दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑलराइट पीपल, लेटर ऑन, ओके, आगे बात करते हैं, एफर्ट्स डालते हैं, सीखते रहते हैं. Praveen, do both free workshops for people and paid workshop for college students by taking assignments in the college. Got it? Good. Very good. Monica says that even I am getting 10 to 20 views, but one of my hair care video got 61,000 views. You will never get to know which of your videos are going to go viral. All that is important is you got to create content on a regular basis. Next, to create your personal brand, you need to be adaptable. अगर कोई नया प्लेटफॉर्म आता है, अगर कोई नई टेक्नोलॉजी आती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंस्टाग्राम लॉन्च्ड रील्स, टिकटॉक गॉट लॉन्च्ड इन इंडिया, यूट्यूब इज लॉन्चिंग यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स, सो यू नीड टू गो ऑल इन एंड यू नीड टू अडैप्ट टू दैट. You need to adapt to the changing times. You need to adapt to new things that are coming in front of you in the market. That is what is important. And once you do that, you would then realize that you would be able to get even more amazing opportunities going for you. Got it? And why and how is that going to happen? When you will adapt to the changing times, when you will adapt to the work that the market requires you to do. If you need to even change your niche in the future because your niche might have become redundant, then you need to change it. You want me to give you an example? I'll give you an example. Probably your niche and your expertise was how to click photos with the cameras that have those reels. फोटोज कैसे खींच सकते हो आप उस कैमरा से जो कि रील वाले कैमरास थे. Maybe at that particular point of time, that was something that was in demand. Right now, if that is going to be your niche, will you grow? No, right? आज के टाइम पे तो किसी पे रील वाला कैमरा ही नहीं है. आज तो फोन से ही सारा काम हो जाता है. So that is the reason why you need to understand that you need to adapt to the changing times. When you adapt to the changing times, you will automatically be ahead of others. Be ready. आप बोलते हो मेरे को तो ऐसे वीडियोस बनाने आते हैं, ऐसे वीडियोस बनाने आते हैं, लेफ्ट टू राइट कैमरा से स्ट्रेट नहीं आते थे. नाउ स्टार्ट डूइंग इट एंड देयरफॉर यू वुड बी एबल टू गेट मोर चांसेस फॉर यू. समबडी सेज दैट सर इंस्टाग्राम पे पब्लिक अकाउंट करने से डर लगता है. करो यार, डर लगने से क्या होगा यार? डर तो बहुत सारी चीजों से लगता है ना, करना तो पड़ता है ना. जब आपको आपकी सक्सेस होने वाली है, रिजल्ट्स लेकर आने वाले हैं, तो करो. समझ में आया? बहुत जरूरी है आपके लिए. राइट? गुड. Next, not being dependent on just one platform. If you are dependent upon just one platform, that is, आप सिर्फ Instagram पे content create कर रहे हो, या सिर्फ Facebook पे कर रहे हो, या सिर्फ YouTube पे कर रहे हो, या सिर्फ LinkedIn पे कर रहे हो, आप diversify नहीं कर रहे हो, आप अपने content को अलग अलग जगहों पे नहीं डाल रहे हो, तो वो एक बहुत बड़ी गलती है. आपको dependent नहीं रहना है एक particular platform के ऊपर. That's very important. Because if you would be dependent upon just one particular platform, then what's going to happen is the work will not happen for you. The results will not happen for you because maybe come tomorrow, that platform will reduce the reach. Maybe that platform might not exist. You never know, right? So what's very important is not being dependent upon one single platform, right? Once you realize this, you would realize that, okay, I am not dependent upon one particular platform. I am there on multiple platforms, and therefore I would be able to get more results and more opportunities for me. Even if one platform gets banned, I'll be at the other place. I'll be at the third place. And that is exactly what is going to happen for you. I know a lot of people, just like Monica has written over here, who were only on TikTok, and then they were like out of business. They were out of work. And then they redefined themselves. और apps आए हैं, धीरे धीरे वो खुद को grow करा रहे हैं. But it's not easy having 1 crore followers on one platform and then you shift to the other platform wherein you have 50-60,000 followers. Although 50-60,000 is not that, it's a lesser number. एक चीज और बताऊं, why those people suffered? You tell me why those people suffered. You tell me. No, ये सब मत बोलो. Cringe content ये है वो है. Very good, Ronit. I love you. They didn't know how to monetize. उनको पता नहीं था कि जो उनकी visibility है, जो उनकी awareness है, उसको monetize कैसे किया जाए. They didn't know it. Otherwise, they would not have suffered. Otherwise, they would have created more and more chances and more opportunities for them. And that's why it is very important that you need to realize that आपको अपने लिए monetization opportunities create करना बहुत जरूरी है. They did not have a mentor like Rahul Bhatnagar. आपकी इस बात से तो मैं 100% सहमत हूँ. So you need to realize this. If they would have had a monetization plan, it would not have mattered to them. They would have just simply shifted their content from one platform to the other platform. और अपने आप ही उनके पास चीजें आने लग जाती हैं. And this is what you need to understand. Don't depend upon one particular platform. If you will do that, you will suffer in the future. Got it? Good. Now, monetization. अगर आप monetization नहीं कर रहे हो अपने personal brand के साथ साथ, आप personal brand बनाना भी छोड़ दोगे. Do you agree? If you are not monetizing your personal brand, then you will never be able to grow. Because आप क्या होगा, कुछ समय बाद आप बोर होने लग जाओगे, कुछ समय बाद आपको लगने लग जाएगा यार कैसे करूं यार, नहीं हो रहा है यार, रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं यार, अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं आ रही हैं यार. You will start getting bored. And that's why I say to you that you need to have a plan for monetization. And you can monetize with even 50 people. किसी एक चीज में अच्छे हो, अच्छा तो देखो बनना पड़ेगा. फॉलोअर बेस तो अलग चीज है, बट रिजल्ट तो चाहिए ना. आपके पास कमांड तो चाहिए ना किसी एक पर्टिकुलर चीज में. Once you have created that command in one particular topic, in one particular industry, in one particular niche, then what you got to do is get it in front of people, reach out to institutes, reach out to colleges, reach out to corporates, or do sessions online, or render your services somewhere and earn money out of it. Because when you will earn money at the same time, then you will give more time to create your personal brand. तो देखो आप पैसे कमा रहे हो, जो भी पैसे आ रहे हैं, you are investing that on ads, you are investing that on collaborations, and आप अपने personal brand को grow करते चले जा रहे हो. You know how much money I invest on running my ads on Instagram, right? And do you know why do I do it? Because I also want to monetize it. Because I also want to get in front of people. Because I also want to get in front of more and more and more people. When a person releases a movie, they promote everywhere, right? They boost their videos on YouTube. No, it's not 10,000 per month. It's 10,000 per day for me on Instagram. Got it? तो आपको ये चीज समझनी पड़ेगी कि आप अपने आप को ग्रो कर रहे हो, आपसे जो भी पैसे आप कमा रहे हो, उस पैसे को फिर आप ऑनलाइन अपने ग्रोथ के लिए, कोलैबोरेशंस के लिए, विजिबिलिटी के लिए, अवेयरनेस के लिए यूज कर रहे हो. अगेन सी इट्स अ विशियस साइकिल. ओके, इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन. आपने पर्सनल ब्रांड थोड़ा सा बढ़ाया, मोनेटाइजेशन करा, जो मोनेटाइजेशन से पैसे आए हैं उस मोनेटाइजेशन वाले पैसे को आपने दोबारा से एड्स में लगाया, एड्स में लगा के आपने दोबारा अपना पर्सनल ब्रांड और ग्रो करा. धीरे धीरे जब आपका पर्सनल ब्रांड ग्रो करता चला जाएगा, उसकी वजह से आपकी विजिबिलिटी और ज्यादा बढ़ेगी एंड आप उसको और ज्यादा मोनेटाइज करते चले जाओगे. समझ में आया? एंड द वैल्यू each and every hour will also grow along with the visibility for you growing. That's important, and that's exactly what you need to do. Organic सही है, paid ads, everything is good. If with paid ads you can reach out to more people, do it so that you can connect with even more people. Collaborations का मतलब जब आप बाकी creators के संग मिलके content create करते हो सकता है कुछ creators ऐसे होंगे जो बोलेंगे भाई मैं आपके संग वीडियो तभी बनाऊंगा जब आप मेरे को पैसे दोगे, मैं एफर्ट डाल रहा हूँ, वीडियो एडिटिंग कर रहा हूँ, टीम को सैलरी देनी है, वीडियो एडिट करवाना है, वीडियो के ऊपर कंटेंट पे काम कराना है, अपने चैनल पे डलना है, तो आपको ये चीज समझनी पड़ेगी कि आप वो करोगे. एड्स हियर मींस योर प्रमोशन ऑफ कोर्स. सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू गॉट टू डू. And that is how you would be able to monetize it and create more revenue generating opportunities for yourself. तो देखो ये चीज आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड आप जब देखोगे कि आप मोनेटाइज कर रहे हो, आपके अंदर और भी ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, देन यू विल गो डीप इनटू इट. एंड दैट्स द थिंग. यार आप एक चीज छोटी सी सोचो, बाइजूस क्या करता है? यूनिकॉर्न कंपनी बन गया इंडिया का, राइट? दे आर टीचिंग पीपल. तो उन्होंने उसी टीचिंग को लाखों बच्चों तक ले गए इंटरनेट के माध्यम से. That is what a lot of platforms are doing. What are OTT platforms doing? वीडियो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, जो वीडियो आप और मैं बना रहे हैं, एंड उस वीडियोस को वो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाखों लोगों के पास ले गए. टोस्ट मास्टर्स की एक स्पीच थी, वो स्पीच थी जो बंदा जीता था टोस्ट मास्टर्स की स्पीच को. टोस्ट मास्टर्स वर्ल्ड वाइड इंटरनेशनल चैंपियनशिप होती है एवरी ईयर, एंड दैट पर्सन वन दैट चैंपियनशिप. Probably 10,000, 50,000 or 1 lakh people had watched that video. Same video, by the way, okay? Then there's a Facebook page by the name Goalcast. How many of you are aware about it? Goalcast. Right? पता है ना Goalcast के बारे में बहुत तगड़ा पेज है. Goalcast वालों ने उसका वीडियो शेयर करा. Goalcast shared that video. And you know how many views did that person get? जिस बंदे के views 8,000 या 10,000 थे, या 1 लाख होंगे, that video got 8 crore views. Same video, same content. It got 8 crore views. You have no idea how good your content is till the time it reaches out to the masses. That is what you need to realize. And that is what is powerful. I completely agree with what Kunal has written. Kunal, बिल्कुल मैं आपकी बात से इत्तेफाक रखता हूं. I totally agree with this. This is what he says. रसोड़े में कौन था? How many people would have seen that show? Maybe some lakhs. That video was viewed by crores of people. 3 करोड़ लोगों ने तो सिर्फ YouTube पे देखा है उस वीडियो को. 3 crore people watched that video on YouTube. And then so many people. अरे उस बंदे की जिंदगी बदल गई भाई with that one video. Does that mean कि सिर्फ उस एक वीडियो से जिंदगी बदली है? No. जो इतने सालों से काम करते चले जा रहे हैं, उसके बाद एक वीडियो आता है जो सबको पसंद आ जाता है, and everything got results for them. And that is what you need to understand. तो आपको ये चीज समझना पड़ेगा कि आपके पास वो अपने आप ही रिजल्ट्स एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज खुद ब खुद आने लग जाती हैं. Got it? So again, monetization is very important. Monetization जब आप करते हो, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है, ग्रेजुअली आप अपना ब्रांड और ज्यादा डाइवर्सिफाई करते चले जाते हो एंड रिजल्ट्स करते चले जाते हो, बढ़ाते चले जाते हो, एंड देयरफॉर यू वुड बी एबल टू गेट सो मेनी रिजल्ट्स for your future. Jitendra, I told you, no, brother, questions later, right? Thank you. Next, vision. Many a times the vision is lacking for us. Yes or no? The vision is lacking for us. हम लोग को समझ नहीं आता कि मैं लॉन्ग टर्म में क्या करूंगा. मैंने आज वीडियो बनाना तो शुरू कर दिया. मेरे को राहुल ने बोला मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएट करना शुरू कर. 10 दिन के बाद व्यूज कम आते हैं, मैं छोड़ देता हूँ. 10 दिन के बाद व्यूज कम आते हैं और मैं छोड़ देता हूँ करना, क्योंकि मेरा लॉन्ग टर्म विजन नहीं है. And because my long term vision is not there, that is the reason why I'm not able to continue. लॉन्ग टर्म विजन भी कब आएगा? जब मोनेटाइजेशन होगा. डू यू अग्री? मोनेटाइजेशन एंड विजन, monetization and this vision and the long term vision, these things go hand in hand. Do you agree with that? Do you realize that ये दोनों चीजें simultaneously आनी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. When you will realize that both these things are happening simultaneously, you would then realize that yes, now even more monetization opportunities are coming my way. And this is what you need to absolutely focus upon. I repeat, monetization and vision, both these things will happen hand in hand. तो रिजल्ट्स आए. एक बंदे ने पूछा है स्टार्टिंग में मोनेटाइजेशन थोड़ी होगा. आई टोल्ड यू होगा, अभी तो बताया. एक चीज में अच्छा बनो, रीच आउट करो, सर्विसेज रेंडर करो, कोचिंग करो, सेशंस करो, किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में काम करो, पर रिजल्ट्स लेकर आओ ताकि मोनेटाइजेशन भी होने लग जाएगा आपके पास. एंड दैट्स व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. डू यू गेट दैट नाउ? एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज एब्सोल्युटली एसेंशियल फॉर यू एंड so very important for you. Very true. Saransh, you were there in the Goa event also, right? One good client for me is worth at least $4,000 in my business. So that is what you need to understand. And that is why you need to have that personal brand for you, so that once you create that personal brand, the opportunities will automatically come your way. Saransh, if I talk about your business, brother, once you develop your personal brand, you would realize that there are going to be so many business opportunities for you. You can review every software so that you are not just dependent upon your emailing list for monetization. And that is what is so very important and so very powerful, right? So this is what we need to realize. And then when you continuously get results, therefore you would be able to get more monetization opportunities happening for you. Got it? Good. Next is this. And then gradually you scale. Gradually you scale. Because you then push your content at other places, you then become a part of other things, you then venture into multiple revenue generating opportunities for you, and that's exactly what you would be able to do. And that is how you would be able to create more chances and more opportunities for you. तो जब आप एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल पे पहुंचे, एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल पे आने के बाद आपको आगे बढ़ना है, आपके पास नए चांसेस आपको क्रिएट करने हैं, so that you would be able to get more chances and scale your work even further. Going back, let me just repeat it. All of these are the pillars for personal branding. Awareness. You need to have the awareness about what exactly needs to be done. Then the visibility as to what I am doing, how am I getting the visibility, how am I getting the attention, multiple ways. Then being consistent with your content is extremely essential. The next thing is adaptability. When market changes, when new markets evolve, when a particular social media platform actually launches something new, dive into it right then and there. Not being just dependent on one platform, but being omnipresent. Yatra tatra sarvatra. That is exactly what you got to do. Then a lot of people failed because they didn't know how to monetize. You need to also monetize at the same time for your content. Have a long-term vision. What do I want to achieve in the next 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years? And therefore you would be able to realize that I am working and I'm growing. And then gradually you would be able to diversify and get even more results and opportunities for yourself. All right. So I have promised 2 people today whom I'm going to talk. First is Geeta. So Geeta madam, you are from 2 accounts. I don't know. I have unmuted one of them. Please unmute yourself. You also wanted to share something with us. Please do. Please unmute yourself. I have unmuted you already. And if you want me to do it with your second account, with your here, I'll do it with that. Okay, so I'll do it on your second one. Here is the second account of yours. I've unmuted you here. Please unmute yourself. Okay.
Hello.
How are you?
So am I audible?
You are actually super duper audible. आपकी आवाज हमें 3 बार आ रही है.
Now is it okay?
No, it is not.
Now I hope it's okay.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah. Sorry, sir, I could not listen to you completely. Actually, I was with my mom. I was carrying my mobile phone along with me.
Okay.
Uh, so please,
No, no,
could
you
you repeat
wanted
the
to
task?
share with us. You wanted to share with us something yesterday. So you will talk about
Yes.
that. And before that, you also have to talk about what I liked today, what I interacted about today. How do we create abundance in our life? Please speak about that. And then you can also tell us something from your experience. You were telling us something about the program, the results that you have got. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So regarding abundance, if I would say, it's like give more to get more. Like whenever, if you're not giving to people, you're not able to get anything in your life. May it be your knowledge, may it be your, I must say, a part of your wealth, may it be anything. If you're not giving care, you're not going to get back. You're not giving love, you're not going to get it back. So first, you should have that kind of feeling of giving out to people, giving out to everybody, not to people, to humanity.
Right.
May it be animals, may it be plants. Like I do it with my plants also. I talk to them also. This is how I deal with my, like, I have a number of plants in my garden. So
Right.
we do it. We always do it. We talk to them. And in the morning, when we come out to my garden, I talk to the birds also,
Right.
whosoever are like around me. And this is how we create a connection. And until and unless you create a connection, you will not be able to live your life. This is the way of life, actually.
Right.
What I think is.
Very true.
This is my perspective. And regarding yesterday's, like what I wanted to share was, as I got connected to you, I don't know, I received your mail last year, and within I think 2 to 3 mails, I registered without having any questions. I talked to, I think, Vikas sir,
Okay.
and I registered for this mm, communication mastery,
Right.
and it came out to be so wonderful into my life. I cannot tell you. I had created so many connections in this virtual world, and they are coming out to be so real for me. And they are giving abundance in my life, like a fulfillment kind of thing. And then slowly, as you pushed out to me for creating videos, I started slowly. Previously, I didn't tell at my place also. I used to move out in my college. I used to prepare videos in my college. I used to prepare videos in garden. I used to go out and prepare everything, and then I used to upload the videos. And it was so much like I was addicted to making videos. But though I am a tortoise of the group, I know that. But slowly, uh, I never stopped making videos. In between, there were problems, but okay. Then I continued with that. And just because of your push, just because of your motivation and inspiration, I started off my YouTube channel. And still, I'm continuing, as of you say, that consistency is one thing that you have to focus upon. And
Right.
still, I am doing it in the consistent way. And slowly, I don't know, now it has become so fluent with me in my, as you know, that I am working with the university here and with Akashwani also as a casual announcer. And I am endorsed as a trainer with Bajaj FinServ and associated with CIEL. So I got an opportunity to get associated with the training. Like they selected me for one of the esteemed trainings this time, and the master trainer was so very happy with my performance. Like we were asked to give the presentation, and he was really happy to interact with me. And they were like it was an amazing feedback I got. for my voice modulation also. And I used to talk to him every day. Like it was a 5 days intense training, and it was so heartwarming for me. And I was like on the cloud nine, and I just remembered you at that moment of time, that it happened just because of you, because I registered in communication mastery, and I wasn't knowing that lockdown will happen. Nobody was knowing that lockdown will happen. And a few months back, I shifted on to online. Before that, I just used to use my Facebook for the contests, for writing contests, because I'm into writing also, writing poetry and writing. I was like connected with the Times of India also for
Right.
writing articles. So I used to do that. I used to use Facebook just for that and nothing else. So as of I got connected with you, I am not able to move my eye off from this Facebook, from Instagram now. And people say, "How are you addicted to it now?" This on this
Mm.
time. So this change has like given me a kind of fulfillment in my life, and I am continuing with that, and I will continue with it. May as I told you that okay, the views are not so much on my YouTube, but I will continue. I am
They
consistent.
hardly matter, honestly
Yes,
speaking.
yes, 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 sir.
And the reason why I say that they hardly matter is because
Exactly.
whatever results you want to get in your life, your corporate life, the visibility,
Hmm.
the attention, the opportunity to serve more people as a trainer, all those things are
Absolutely.
being given to you. And
Yeah.
whenever somebody selects you for all those things, they would definitely go and check whether you have a presence on internet or not, so that they can go
Yeah.
through your content. So when they will
True,
see your
true.
content on the internet, they will
Yeah.
automatically realize that yes, the content is good. In a
And
way, what our
yes.
videos do is, the
Hmm.
videos of us, they create an awareness for us so that we don't have to make a resume to tell people as to what we are capable of. Your content
Exactly.
is the speaking for you, and that's
Exactly.
exactly what matters.
Yeah, I told you, sir, that I've been invited for one of the talks for webinars in my nearby city, Gwalior ke paas ek city hai, where I've
Right.
been invited. But as and when they will get the setup done, then only they are going to call me.
Right.
But yes, the things have started off.
And at the
Uh,
same time, once you start reaching out to a lot of colleges, a lot of institutes, a lot of
hmm,
places, you would then realize that it would give you
absolutely.
even more visibility, awareness, and also monetization chances. And that is
Exactly.
what is important. And
Yeah,
therefore,
I just completed one of the batches from Bajaj also, and the
right,
feedback was awesome. Awesome feedback I received from because Bajaj people are also into the class. Whenever we train the students, they
right.
also log in and they also keep a watch on us, like they analyze the things. So I really got an awesome feedback from them also, and that is all because of you. And I can't
I'm so
thank you enough.
happy.
Can't thank you enough, so
Thank you.
I
Thank you.
am really, really
And we can
lots of
genuinely
gratitude.
feel, and we can genuinely feel that each and every word that you say, it comes from within you. It comes directly from your heart. And that is only
Yes.
possible because you believe in what you're doing, you believe in what I share with you, and you
Exactly.
believe in actually implementing those things. And it
I
is
don't
very
know. So
clearly said.
right from past so many years, I wanted to be in this field only, and I started off with this because when I shifted from Jodhpur to Gwalior, I was asked that because here there is a kind of MTI thing, like mother tongue
Hmm.
influence, anybody who speaks. So I had a neutral kind of accent. So as of I approached the university people, they said you don't take up these subjects, but you take up this communication skills and personality development. And
Right.
they offered me that just
Hmm.
because I was having a neutral accent, and I
Right.
was into it at from that since that time on only. But as of I got connected to you, the things are literally changing for me.
Very
Uh,
true. And just like I say, this is just the beginning. There is so much more that is going to come.
Absolutely. And so, I don't know, it's such a wonderful thing in my life to be connected with you,
My
get
pleasure.
connected.
Really, my pleasure.
So, the pleasure is all mine. And the community is so positive, so positive. Like, I can't
That's
thank
very
them enough
important,
also.
right? Being surrounded by the right people. That is like one
Absolutely.
of the biggest takeaways when you become a part of such a mentorship program, because you are able to learn from so many people around you, and you are
Absolutely.
pushed by people around you.
And
It's very simple.
I should take this opportunity to thank my community also. There are so many people who are all so positive,
Right.
and lots of gratitude towards all of them.
Hmm. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I wish to be stay connected for the entire life. Thank
Same
you so
here.
much.
That feeling is mutual. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Ajay is asking me what is the link to enroll for Communication Mastery. I will give you the link in 2 hours from now. Okay. 2 घंटे में हम आपको link देंगे उसका. Right now, let's focus on the learning. Good. So the next thing is, so you see, thank you so much for bringing her on call. That was so inspiring. I'm so happy that you read that you felt that way. I'm so happy that there are also, and you know, the best part that I like over here is that there are so many people who have now realized that, yes, I need to take that action. I need to become a part of the community. I need to learn more. I need to get more opportunities for me. And the reason why that's happening is because we need to understand that unless and until we are continuously upgrading ourselves, unless and until we are continuously learning new things, it's not going to work for us. It's not going to create any chances for us, isn't it? That's for sure. Good. Now, let's talk about niche selection, because that is something that a lot of people talk about. So, मेरे को मेरा कौन सा niche चाहिए? How will I get my niche? How will I monetize my niche? What is the kind of niche that I should become a part of? And things like that. I'll tell you about all those things. Okay. Number one, your niche is based upon your knowledge plus the monetization that you would be able to get from it. If the monetization can happen, only then should you focus on bringing that niche and focusing on that niche. अगर ऐसा निश आपका नहीं है जिसको कि मोनेटाइज नहीं किया जा सकता, अगर आपके निश को मोनेटाइज नहीं किया जा सकता है, तब फिर उस निश के ऊपर काम करने का कोई रीजन नहीं है, कोई लॉजिक नहीं बनता. And that is why it is very important that we work upon a particular niche wherein we can monetize stuff and we can create more chances for us. Got it? That's very important. And that is the kind of niche. So these are the certain niches that I'm going to share with you, the ones that you can choose for yourself, and that can be monetized like anything. The first one is fitness and immunity. Please read it now. Fitness and immunity. A lot of people, even particularly after COVID-19, want to work a lot upon their immunity. They want to learn what food is good for me, what information is good for me, what kind of content should I have, what kind of knowledge should I be aware about, what kind of food should I avoid, what kind of food should I intake, ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिसके पास मैं रिजल्ट्स लेकर आ सकता हूँ अपने पास, वो सारी चीजें मेरे को फिगर आउट करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So these are the high paying niches that I'm sharing with you today. First is fitness as well as immunity. That is the first niche. The second is body transformation. If see, there are a lot of people who are now corporates, working in the corporate sector. Then there are a lot of females who give birth to babies, and after that it becomes very challenging for them because बहुत सारी responsibility बढ़ जाती है. To be in shape, we start putting on more weight, and when we put on more weight, it automatically hampers our health. So that is also a reason why a lot of people need to work upon it. Right? So what you can do is you can help people with the body transformation. You can help them कि आप किस तरीके का करें. Shreya says, as a clinical nutritionist, it is making me very more happy today. So happy. Shreya, you had sent me a long email on the kind of food that I should have, especially during the night time, right? So the body transformation part is so important because therein you would be able to guide people on the kind of food that they should have, on the kind of stuff, the kind of exercises, daily exercises. So you can model your content, you can model your information around this. Get more content. And again, जो भी आप niche choose करते हैं, उसके आपको topics लिखने हैं, सब topics लिखने हैं, case studies लिखने हैं, results लिखने हैं. Let me repeat. Topics, subtopics, case studies, results, examples. And that is where you would be able to create so much of content online. People will watch your content and then you can also monetize it. आगे चल के आप उसको monetize भी कर सकते हैं. The third thing is the lifestyle, wherein you travel to different places. आप अलग-अलग जगहों पे जाते हो, आप किस तरीके की लाइफ जीते हो, आप कैसे एक अच्छी नेटवर्किंग कम्युनिटी का पार्ट बन सकते हो, आप कैसे खुद को ग्रोथ में ले जा सकते हैं, वो सारी चीजें आप कैसे खुद के लिए कर सकते हैं. Even beauty and fashion is a very good niche. I will also write it over here. I believe I might have written it, but in case it's not there, so even beauty and fashion is a very good niche because people want to look fashionable, people want to take care of their looks, people want to realize how to have a glowing skin, how to take care of those things. Beauty and hair is also one of them. So this is also one more niche that you can focus and work upon. Now, how do you make money? बार बार मैंने आपको बताया मेरे दोस्त, एक बार आपके पास visibility आती है, उसके बाद आप प्रोडक्ट्स रेकमेंड कर सकते हो, सर्विसेज रेकमेंड कर सकते हो, कंसल्टेशन दे सकते हो, नॉलेज देना लोगों के संग शेयर कर सकते हो, ऑनलाइन सेशंस कर सकते हो, कोई चीज बेच सकते हो, इवेंट में एज अ स्पीकर जा सकते हो, कोई प्रोडक्ट सेल करके मोनेटाइज कर सकते हो, वीडियो के व्यूज के ऊपर गूगल एडसेंस से पैसा कमा सकते हो, अपने वीडियोस में ब्रांड को स्पॉन्सर करके रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर सकते हो, आगे चल के डाइवर्सिफाई कर सकते हो। फॉलोअर बेस बढ़ने के बाद आप बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के पास जा सकते हो और ब्रांड्स को बोल सकते हो, आई कैन वर्क एज योर स्पोक्स पर्सन, आई कैन डू वेबिनार्स फॉर यू कैन यूज माई फोटोग्राफ इन योर ads, the money just flows for you, which will never happen in any other job or any other industry where it is unidimensional. But a personal brand gets all these opportunities for you. Got it? That's why it is so very powerful. Let me go ahead and let me tell you even more niches. Okay? आज आपका ये सवाल हमेशा के लिए खत्म हो जाएगा, सर मेरा निश मुझे नहीं पता या कौन कौन से निशेस सक्सेसफुल हैं। आज ये हमेशा के लिए खत्म कर देंगे आप, ठीक है? आगे चलते हैं। The other niche that you can focus upon is self-improvement, self-help. A lot of people want to become better. A lot of people want to improve. A lot of people want to learn new things. A lot of people need to realize कि मैं कैसे अपने आप को ग्रो करा सकता हूँ, कैसे अपनी नॉलेज को अपग्रेड कर सकता हूँ, कैसे नए चांसेस एंड नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज अपने लिए क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ। ये सारी चीजें लोग जानना चाहते हैं, समझना चाहते हैं, बुक्स पढ़ना चाहते हैं, कंटेंट लेना चाहते हैं, नॉलेज कंज्यूम करना चाहते हैं, सीखना चाहते हैं, मेंटोर के संग अच्छे इन्वायरमेंट का पार्ट बनना चाहते हैं, अच्छे लोगों के संग समय व्यतीत करना चाहते हैं, अच्छी चीजें जानना चाहते हैं, सोने से पहले अच्छा कंटेंट कंज्यूम करना चाहते हैं। सो सेल्फ इंप्रूवमेंट इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द निशेस दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली गेट फॉर योरसेल्फ एंड गेट रिजल्ट्स फॉर यू। द अदर निश दैट यू कैन क्रिएट फॉर यू इज अर्निंग मनी ऑनलाइन। हाउ डू यू क्रिएट मनी ऑनलाइन? मल्टीपल ways to generate revenue online. Personality development, mindset, body, sales, then your abundance, mindset and health, mental health, all these things are a part of your self-improvement niche. Personality development, confidence, ये सब कुछ, ठीक है? अगला निश आ जाता है आपका earning money online, wherein you would be able to teach people कि आप कैसे results लेकर आ सकते हैं, कैसे आप ऑनलाइन पैसा कमा सकते हैं, कौन कौन से सोर्सेज होते हैं ऑनलाइन पैसा कमाने के लिए, कैसे कैसे आप अलग अलग तरीकों से पैसे कमा सकते हैं, ये सारी चीजें आप लोगों को बता पाएंगे एंड ये सारी चीजों के थ्रू आप अपने लिए भी रेवेन्यू जनरेट करना शुरू कर देंगे। सो अर्निंग मनी ऑनलाइन इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द वेरी पावरफुल निशेस दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली चूज फॉर योरसेल्फ। एंड उसके लिए क्या करना है, आपको अलग अलग नॉलेजेस, अलग अलग सेक्टर्स के बारे में जानकारी लेनी है या फिर 4-5 अच्छी चीजें सीख लेनी है एंड उसके बारे में इन डेप्थ नॉलेज आपको लोगों को देती चले जानी है एंड देयरफॉर यू वुड बी एबल टू मोनेटाइज दैट आल्सो। Got it? And that's exactly what you got to do. Is it okay to have more than one niche? If you have the time, the results to show to people, the time to create more content and to get in front of people on a regular basis, then definitely you can do it. समझ में आया? तब आप figure out कर लोगे. So earning money online is also one very powerful niche that you can choose for yourself and you can also monetize it for you. Got it? Yes. आगे चलते हैं.